Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to today's live session. Same, we are going with the same exercise 5.3. I think you have practiced on 5.3 question number 1, 2, and 3. And really, this lesson is very easy and will give you more and more marks. Just a practice is needed, and the corona time has given you plenty of time at your home that may be used for and good work, and use this time for practicing more and more problems. And students, those who are having the phobia of maths, can be easily taken out in this corona time. And listen, I will make the subject maths very easier if we both will do conversation on your whatever queries you have, then it will be solved very easily. We will get interest. When you will get interest in mathematics, or when you get interest in anything, when you knows, और जब आपको उसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ पता चलता है तो आपको और कुछ भी निकालने की इच्छा बढ़ती है. सो इसके बारे में कब पता चलेगा आपको? जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तब. सो प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. डू प्रैक्टिस and see. It's my challenge to you that your mathematics will be very 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 easy, and you will get interest in that. You will be totally involved in solving the problem. Okay? Mathematics is the only subject which is not boring. कितना भी देर आप उसको लेके बैठ सकते हो. ठीक है? So let's start. I think question number 3 we have finished. Now let's start with question number 4. So question number 4 is, how many terms of the AP is given to us. So how many terms of the AP? 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. Means sum is also S is also given to us 636. That I will write later on. So we will write the basic information that is given to us. A is 9, D we need to find. So we easily will get D. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So D is, what is A2? 17 minus 9. So what is 17 minus 9? It is equals to 8. And A is 9. ये दो चीज हो गए, और एक तीसरी चीज भी है, that is SN. SN भी दिया है आपको 636. SN is 636 हो गया. Yes, 636. These three things are given. We need to find out that what is the value of n. To find n, okay, so go Sn is equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 636 is equals to n is what? Don't know. N by 2 in bracket twice a n minus 1 into d. D is 8. इधर बैठ दो या इनमें से आप 2 कॉमन निकाल के कैंसिल कर सकते हो. 636 is equals to n by 2. इनमें से 2 कॉमन निकालो. यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 9 प्लस यहाँ क्या बचा? n minus 1 into 4. 2 कॉमन निकाल लिया 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into 1 is 4. Now 636 is equals to n in bracket 9 minus 4 is 5. So we get 4n minus 5. Okay. Now multiply 636 is equals to 4n into n is 4n square minus 5 into n is 5n. What we get now? It is an quadratic equation. So factorize it and get the answer. What will be the quadratic equation standard form? 4n square minus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Factorize it and get the answer of n. Here also what you will get? You will get two values of n. From that, one may be integral and one may be fraction or negative number, and that fraction and negative numbers or decimal number you have to reject. You have to not take. Okay? And what you have to take? The integral, the whole number, the natural number you have to take. Okay? Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is the first term of an AP is 5. First term is A, 5. The last term of an AP is 45. Means AN is 45. The sum is 400. The sum is 400. Sn is 400. It's very easy problem, I think. Find the number of terms and the common difference. क्या क्या निकालना है आपको? To find number of terms, that is n, and the common difference. Common difference, that is d, we have to find. Okay? So let us find these two things. Everything about Sn is given, I think. So we have formula of Sn which includes a and an. So Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket a plus an, first term plus last term. Sn is 400 equals to n by 2 in bracket, what is a? A is 5 plus an is 45, right? Now 400 equals to n by 2 into 50. 50 divided by 2 is what? 25. इस 25 को इधर ले लो तो क्या आएगा? 400 divided by 25 equals to n. अब 25 1 का 25 कितने का आता है? I think 4 का 100 होता है. 4 4 4 4 4 times, that is 16. So n is equals to 16. Now we got the value of n. Now you see we can find out the value of d. an का फॉर्मूला यूज करो. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a 16 कितना दिया है? 45 equals to a is 5 plus n is 16. 16 minus 1 15 into d. 5 को इधर भेजो, माइनस हो जाएगा, मतलब यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 40. अब इक्वल्स टू 15d. 15 को इधर भेजो, ये आएगा 40 divided by 15 is equals to d. सिंप्लीफाई करो, 5 3 का 5 8 का, तो d कितना आ गया? We got d, that is 8 by 3. Okay, so we have find out what was required to us. Okay, what was asked to us. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 6th. Question number 6. What is that question? See, the first term and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. First term means a is given to us. equals to 70 plus 9 into n is 9n minus 9. So 350 equals to 70 minus 9 is in 8 plus 9n 8 को इधर बैठ दो 350 में से 8 गए कितने बचेंगे 342 ओके equals to 9n. Now send 9 to this side n will be equals to 342 divided by 9. So n will be equals to 9 3 are 27 and 9 is 72. So n is equals to 38. How is it we can find out Sn? Now Sn कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे आपके पास में a है an भी है और n भी है. So we use now Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Sn means S38 is equals to 38 by 2 in bracket. What is A? A is 17 plus an is 350. Now calculate it and find out the sum of 38 terms. Okay? This is how you will get both the things that are asked to us, that is n and sum of the n terms, that is sum of first 38 terms. Next, some questions we will see. The way I am solving, use that only way to solve. It will go very easy to solve. Okay? Means जैसे जैसे इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है, इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्ट करो और देखो आपको फाइंड क्या करना है. उस हिसाब से आपके पास में 2-3 फॉर्मूले हैं, कौन सा यूज करने में कितना इजी जाएगा प्रॉब्लम, यूज इट एंड कैलकुलेट इट. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट वी हैव फिनिश अप टू आई थिंक 6th one. Now starting with 7th. What is 7c? Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. AP which in which D is given to us, that is 7. Then 22nd term means A22 is 149. No? Yes, 149. क्या क्या दिया है? We have to find out the sum of first 22 term. Means S22 we have to find. To find what S22, sum of 22 terms. So first of all we will use this one. इसके अंदर क्या क्या दिया है? आपके पास में D है, N है और लास्ट टर्म है, that is AN है. So it will be easier to find. So AN is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? From this we will get a. An is A22, that is 149 equals to a we don't know plus n 22 minus 1 into d. D is also with us, that is 7. Now 149 equals to a plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into 7. So 149 equals to a. 7 1 7, 7 2 14. Send to this side. It will be now 149 minus 147, that is equals to a. So what is a? We have a that is equals to 2. Now S22 is asked, right? What we have? A also we have, and AM also we have, and N also we have, that is 22. So use that formula. Now have to also write the answer in words. Try to write answer in word of each and every question. हर एक क्वेश्चन का आपको आंसर इन वर्ड्स देना ही है, ठीक है? We don't know how invigilator wants the answer. Some invigilator can give you marks, but some invigilator can cut out also marks. So we have to go for maximum marks. So we have to be accurate, exact. कोई भी इन्विजिलेटर आओ, कैसा भी आओ, अपना आंसर चेक करने के बाद आपने को आउट ऑफ मार्क देना ही चाहिए, ठीक है? दैट्स विल राइट. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18. Question number 8. क्या दिया है? Second term means A2 is given. A2 is 14 and third term is given. That is 18. Right? Whose second term and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Find the sum of first 51 terms. To find, क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? Sum of 51 terms means S51. अब you can find out by this. A3 और A2 दिया है, आप क्या निकाल सकते हो? n का d का फॉर्मूला क्या है अपने पास? d is equals to an minus 1, ठीक है ना? तो n अगर 3 है, n minus 1 क्या रहेगा? 2. From this you can find out easily d. So d is equals to what? A3 minus A2. So d will be, what is A3? 18. This one is 14. So d is equals to, समझा? ठीक है, ये एक मेथड है. दूसरी और एक मेथड है. A2 का इक्वेशन क्या था? an के फॉर्मूले से a plus d equals to 14. यहाँ पे क्या है? A3 का a plus 2d equals to 18. तो उस हिसाब से आपको दो इक्वेशन मिलेंगे. Solve these two equation and get the value of n. So get the value of d or a. Then do the replacement and find out the value of another one. अब d मिल चुका है आपको, इसमें से कोई भी एक उठाओ. क्या आएगा? a1 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a2 है, a2 क्या होगा? a plus 2 minus 1 into d. d क्या है? Yes, now only we have found that is 4. a2 कितना है? 14 equals to a नहीं पता है, plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 को इधर भेज दो. 14 minus 4 is equals to a. So a we got, that is how much? 14 minus 4 is 8. अब आपके पास में a है, आपके पास में d है और आपके पास में n भी है. So now what we can use? Sn is equals to n by 2. लास्ट टर्म है आपके पास में नहीं है, तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? फिर दूसरा वाला n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means s 51 we have to find. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 51 by 2. Here twice a is 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d. d कितना है? 4. Bracket close. So S51 is equals to 51 by 2 in bracket 20 plus 50 into 4. क्या आएगा? देखो 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 का, it is 200. Now 51 by 2 into क्या आएगा ये 220, ठीक है। करो 2 1 का 2 1 1 0 का, अब क्या आ गया 51 into 1 1 0। मल्टीप्लाई देम एंड फाइंड आउट S51 means sum of first 51 terms, ठीक है। आप बता सकते हो, बहुत इजी है। 11 1 सा 11 1 कैरी 11 5 का 55 plus 1 56 0 0। So 56100 will be the answer of the given question, ठीक है। कोई समझ में आ गया? क्या क्या दिया था अपने पास में? A2 दिया था और A3 दिया था। Then according to that we move towards what we have find out? We have find out directly D। ये D का आपको फॉर्मूला पता होगा तो आप निकाल सकोगे। अगर आपके पास में D का फॉर्मूला नहीं पता है तो आप कौन सा मेथड करना है पता मैंने आपको A2 दिया है तो A2 कैन बी रिटन एज A plus D, ठीक है। A2 मतलब 14, so 14 equals to A plus D, ये हो गया इक्वेशन नंबर 1। A3 दिया है, A3 को क्या लिख सकते हो A plus 2D। A3 कितना है 18, 18 is equals to A plus 2D। तो ये मिल गया लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल। तो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल मिले, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, A कैंसिल हो जाएगा and you will get the value of D। Understand? So in this way, in any way we can find out the value what is asked to us। सिर्फ इतना ही है कि आपको क्वेश्चन बराबर से समझना चाहिए। And why it is so easy? I have explained you many times, because it consists of one or two only formula, that three only formula, and that you know very properly। 9 गया, if the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49, that of the 17 terms is 289, find the sum of 289 terms। काफी आसान है। अगर आप अभी का क्वेश्चन अगर आपको समझा होगा तो वैसा ही है ये भी क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया है आपको? sum of 7 terms means S7 is 49 and the next thing is S17 is given 289, S17 is equals to 289। find the sum of n terms means Sn we have to find, to find Sn। इससे आपको दो इक्वेशन मिलेंगे। दो इक्वेशन कौन से? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल। उनको सॉल्व करो और A और D की वैल्यू फाइंड करो, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ Sn वेरी इजीली। समझ में आया? जैसा अभी मैं दो इक्वेशन फॉर्म करके दे देता हूं आपको, क्या आएगा देखो। Sn, आपको Sn का फॉर्मूला पता है, n/2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D, correct? Now Sn S7 is equals to 7/2 in bracket twice A plus 7 minus 1 6 6D। अब Sn कितना है? S7 कितना है? 49। इसको सबको इधर भेज दो, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 7। यहाँ क्या बचा? इक्वल्स टू ट्वाइस A प्लस 6D। 7 1 का 7, 7 का 7 2 का 14 इक्वल्स टू ट्वाइस A प्लस 6D। ऑल आर डिविजिबल बाय 2, डिवाइड देम। A plus 3D equals to 7। This is equation number 1। सेम सॉल्व करो, आपको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मिलेगा for S17। For S17 what we have? Yes, S17 लेके आएगा 17/2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 मतलब 17 minus 1 that is 16 into D। S17 is 289 equals to क्या होगा 17 1 का 17 17 का 17 into 2 equals to 2a plus 16b। यहाँ पे भी देखो all are divisible by 2, divide them। यहाँ बचेगा 17 equals to 2a का a हो जाएगा, 16b का only so it will become, ठीक है। इसको ऐसा लिखो a plus 8b is equals to 17, equation number 2। Now what you will do? We got equation number 1 and equation number 2. Subtract them. The value a will get cancelled. You will get the value of d. Then put the value of d in any of the equation. You will get the value of a. And if you have a and if you have d, then you can easily find out the value of Sn. Okay. So thank you. Whatever problem you have, please ask. Okay.